from southern flood.
Gravel grinding neath my Chevy's way. Windows down, dust devils celebrate. My heritage carved in callous hands. Freedom flows through this forgotten land. These bones built from bourbon and backache. Every scar tells stories I don't fake. Sunrise paints the pines with amber light, while I roll through valleys born to find blood pumping through my chest. I'm blood, I ain't like the rest. I'm blood flowing from my heart. I'm blood, been there from the start. I'm blood in my family tree. I'm blood running wild and free. I'm blood, iron blood, iron blood, thick as thunder, deep as mud. Granddaddy's wisdom whispers in the wind, teaching me what brotherhood can end. American flag flying from my bed. These red dirt roads are where I'm fed. Bonfire blazing bright against the dark, while cold beer bottles leave their mark on wooden tables, weathered by the years, built by men who conquered all they feared. Pumping through my chest. I'm blood, I ain't like the rest. I'm blood flowing from my heart. I'm blood, been there from the start. I'm blood in my family tree. I'm blood running wild and free. I'm blood, iron blood, iron blood, thick as thunder, deep as mud. Tries breaking what I am, I remember who I am, where I stand, steel in my spine, fire in my soul. This iron blood keeps me in control. Iron blood, iron blood, iron blood, rising up from southern mud. Blooded boots and loyal hearts unite. Rebels born to stand up for what's right. Small town pride flows through my veins tonight. Country boys with engines burning bright, never backing down from who we are. Outlaw spirits underneath the stars. Blue collar grit mixed with rebel dreams. Nothing's ever quite the way it seems. I'm blood pumping through my chest. I'm blood, I ain't like the rest. I'm blood flowing from my heart. I'm blood, been there from the start. I'm blood in my family tree. I'm blood running wild and free. I'm blood, iron blood, iron blood, thick as thunder, deep as mud. Iron blood, running through my veins like mud. Iron blood, born and bred from southern flood. Brother, listen close, you've been gone too long. Running with them city boys is where you belong. Back here where we started, where we learned to fight. Muddy boots and cold beer every Friday night. You traded dirt for dollars, traded truth for fame, but I still see that fire burning just the same. Remember what we swore on by that old oak tree. Brotherhood ain't broken when you ride with me. Come back home, brother, come back home. This dirt road needs you, you ain't meant to roam. Come back home, brother, come back home. We got that back road thunder in our bones. You've been chasing paper in them concrete streets, but your heart's still beating to these country beats. We've been waiting patient by the riverside for our brother's return. Got your spot right here beside. All them fancy suits can't change what's in your blood. You was born for dirt roads, born for rebel love. So pack up all your troubles, leave that life behind. Come back to your brothers, come back to peace of mind. Come back home, brother, come back home. This dirt road needs you, you ain't meant to roam. Come back home, thunder in our bones. Time keeps on rolling like trucks on gravel road, but some things never change here, that's the country code. We still raise our flags high, we still stand our ground, and we still got room for one more brother around. So when you get tired of playing the game, just remember your brother's still calling your name. This dirt road fam will never let you fall. Come back home, brother, we've been waiting for your call. Come back home, brother, come back home. This dirt road needs you, you ain't meant to roam. Come back home, brother, come back home. We got that back road thunder in our bones. Come back home, brother, come back home. Come back home, brother, come back home. You used to ride these dusty trails with me. Now you're chasing something that I can't see. Got that restless look behind your eyes, like these small town roads ain't good enough now. But I remember when we swore we never change. Now you're acting like you don't know my name. You got that back road fever burning in your soul, trying to run from who you are, but you can't let it go. Every mile you drive away just brings you back around. That back road fever's got you running through this town. Running through this town, you keep on running, running, but you ain't going nowhere, nowhere. That fever's got you coming, coming back to where you started here. I see you at the crossroads every Friday night. Windows down, engine roaring, but something ain't right. You circle around like you're looking for a fight, with ghosts that follow everywhere you drive. These back roads know your secrets, know your pain. They're calling out your number, calling out your name. Remember when these gravel roads felt like home? Now you're treating them like prison walls of stone. You got that back road fever burning in your soul, trying to run from who you are, but you can't let it go. Every mile you drive away just brings you back around. That back road fever's got you running through this town, running through this town. You keep on running, running, but you ain't going nowhere, nowhere. That fever's got you coming, coming back to where you started here. Stop your truck, kill the engine, face the demons you've been flinching. These dirt roads raised us both, man. Why you acting like you don't understand? Come back to me, come back to us, before that fever turns to rust. These back roads miss your wild heart. Don't let that restless tear us apart. That back road fever burning in your soul, trying to run from who you are, but you can't let it go. Every mile you drive away just brings you back around. That back road fever's got you running through this town. Yeah, that back road fever's got you twisted up inside, but brother, you can't outrun what you're trying to hide. Every turn you take just leads you back to me somehow. That fever's got you running through this town, running through this town. You keep on running it, running, but you ain't going nowhere, nowhere. That fever's got you coming, coming back to where you started here. Back to where you started here. Back to where you started here. I got that fever in my veins tonight, rolling through the pines where the moon shines bright. Dust clouds rising from these worn out tires. My heart's been aching with these old desires. Back road fever burning in my soul. Can't shake this feeling, losing all control. Back road fever calling out my name. Running through these hills, but I feel the same. Fever, fever, won't let me go. Fever, fever, all that I know. Daddy's boots still sitting by the door. Mama's voice still echoing through these floors. Small town memories weighing on my chest. Can't outrun the pain no matter how I try my best. But these wheels keep turning. Back road fever burning in my soul. Can't shake this feeling, losing all control. Back road fever calling out my name. Running through these hills, but I feel the same. Fever won't let me go. Fever, all that I know. Every mile I drive, every breath I take, every prayer I send up for my own mistake. These roads remember everything I've lost, but I keep on driving no matter what it costs. Back road fever burning in my soul. Can't shake this feeling, losing all control. Back road fever calling out my name. Running through these hills, but I feel the same. Fever won't let me go. All that I know. Jacked up truck on gravel roads, muddy boots, American codes, cold beer cracking, freedom's loud, small town born, country proud. Outlaw spirit, rebel blood, tailgate parties in the mud. Southern roots run damn deep, brotherhood we always keep. We're the dirt road kings, fire in our souls, hear the engine sing. Never back down, never give in. Dirt road kings, flag waving high, let the freedom ring. Born to be wild, born to win. Born to be wild, born to win. Dirt road kings, this is our time, this is our thing. bonfire nights in pickup beds, country music in our heads, blue collar hands working hard, American dream in our backyard, steel guitar and 808 beats, backwood boys will never retreat, ice cold cans and southern heat makes this life so fucking sweet. With the dirt road kings, fire in our souls, hear the engine sing, never back down, never give in. Dirt road kings, flag waving high, let that freedom reign. Born to be wild, born to win. Born to be wild, born to win. Dirt road kings, this is our time, this is our thing. Got that country rap thrill, loud engines, louder hearts. This is where our story starts. Dirt road dynasty, living wild and free. We're the dirt road kings, fire in our souls, hear the engine sing, never back down, never give in. Dirt road kings, flag waving high, let the freedom reign. Born to be wild, born to win. Born to be wild, born to win. Dirt road kings, this is our time, this is our thing. Dirt road kings, that's who we are. Dirt road kings, gonna go far. Dirt road kings, this is our time, this is our thing.
King of the dirt road, muddy boots stomp, never fold, never fold. King of the dirt road, truck bed full, storage told.
Born in the dust, raised in the mud. Born in the dust, raised in the mud. King of the dirt road, thicker than blood. King of the dirt road, thicker than blood.
King of the dirt road. King of the dirt road. King of the dirt road, king of the dirt road. Ice cold beer won't be controlled. King of the dirt road, American flag, truth be told, truth be told.
Brothers beside me, king of the dirt road, ride, die, die. King of the dirt road, head held high. Small town crown, king of the dirt road, won't back down. King of dirt road, won't back down. Small town crown, small town crown.
Fire in my soul, king of the road, take control. King of the road, take control. Fire in my soul, king of the dirt road, bonfire nights, legends unfold. King of the dirt road, rebel heart never gets old, gets old.
Outlaw spirit, king of the dirt road, they can hear it. King of the dirt road, they can hear it. Outlaw spirit, outlaw spirit.
King of the
of the dirt road. King 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 of the dirt road. You grew up same as me, same dirt road, same old tree, throwing rocks at rusty signs, sneaking beer behind the pines. Remember when we swore we'd stay right here forever, come what may. Same back road, same back road, same back roads that raised us both. We're back roads born, born to be wild. Back roads born, born to be wild. Back roads born, been this way since we was a child. Back roads born, born to be wild. Back roads born. Now you're gone, city lights, forget the way we spent our nights. Campfire smoke and mason jars, counting wishes on falling stars. You used to say this life was yours, now you pretend you want much more. Same back road, same back road, same back roads, still call your name. Well, back roads born, born to be wild. Back roads born, born to be wild. Back roads born, been this way since we was a child. Back roads born, born to be wild. Back roads born. Come back home to the place that you've always known. Same back road, same back road, same back road, running through your veins. Same back road, same back road, same back road, still running through your veins. I'm still here on the same ground where we used to raise hell and sound. Every sunset looks the same, every sunrise calls your name. You can run, boy, but you can't hide from the back roads deep inside. Same back road, same back road, same back road, made you who you are. We're back roads born, born to be wild. Back roads born, born to be wild. Way since we was a child. Back roads born, born to be wild. Back roads born, same back roads, same back roads, same back roads. Started from the bottom of this dirt road lane, muddy boots stomping through the pouring rain. Daddy taught me young how to work these hands. Build it from the ground up, that's how I stand. Truck bed loaded with the dreams I chase. A small town boy with fire in my veins. Every single morning when the rooster calls, I'm already up before the sun can crawl. I'm the back road king, crown made of steel in the songs I sing. From the holler to the hill, it's my everything. road king. Back road king. Back road king, that's me, that's me. Yeah. Gravel kicking up behind my worn out tires. Bonfire burning bright with all my desire. Brotherhood of brothers who won't ever fold. Never. Stories worth more than silver and gold. Cold beer cracked open when the work is done. American flag waving in the setting sun. The simple life is all I'll ever need. Back row royalty, that's my creed. I'm the back row king, back row king. Crown made of steel in the songs I sing. From the holler to the hill, that's my everything. I'm the back row king, back row king. Stars above my throne when the church bells ring. Freedom in my soul and the joy it brings. I'm the back row king, back row king. When the world gets heavy and the walls close in, I remember where my story begins. Dirt road dust in the wind so free. This back road kingdom, that's the real me. Oh, that's the real me. Oh, back road king eternally. I'm the back road king, back road king. Crown made of steel in the songs I sing. From the holler to the hill, that's my everything. My everything. I'm the back road king, back road king. Whoa. Stars above my throne when the church bells ring. Freedom in my soul and the joy it brings. I'm the back road king, back road king. King, that's me, that's me, yes. Back row king, that's my everything. Back row king, whoa. Freedom's what I bring. Started in the holler where the creek runs dry. Daddy's old Ford rusted, mama worked 2 jobs to get by. 17 years old with a rebel in my chest. Knew these backwoods were the place I'd make my nest. Gravel underneath my boots, dust cloud in my wake. Every mile on these dirt roads was a chance I had to take. Brothers by my side, we were young and we were wild. Country boys with big dreams, ain't nobody gonna smile at the kids from nowhere, but we didn't really care, 'cause we had each other in the fire burning there. Where red dirt rise from the ground up, never compromising. Muddy boots and hearts on fire. Red dirt rising, taking everything we require. Red dirt rising, red dirt rising, red dirt rising, red dirt rising. Friday night bonfire, American flag waving high. Cold beer in our cooler, stars lighting up the sky. Pickup trucks and circles, tailgates dropping down. This is how we party in our little bitty town. 21 and working at the lumber mill each day, saving every dollar so we never have to stay stuck inside the city where they don't know who we are. We got everything we need underneath the southern stars. Brotherhood and freedom, that's the only way we know. Red dirt in our veins and it's the only way we'll grow. We're red dirt rise from the ground up, never compromising. Muddy boots and hearts on fire. Red dirt rising, taking everything we require. Red dirt rising, red dirt rising, red dirt rising, red dirt rising. Some folks think we're crazy, some folks think we're wrong, but we've been here forever and this dirt is where we belong. From the holler to the highway, from the creek bed to the hill, we're the boys that never quit and we ain't backing down still. Red dirt rising, that's a battle cry. Red dirt rising, reaching for the sky. Now we're 25 and stronger, got our own place on the land, building something lasting with our callous working hands. Kids are running barefoot where we used to chase around. Same old dirt road stories in the same old little town, but we wouldn't trade it for the riches or the fame, 'cause red dirt made us who we are. We're proud to claim the name of the boys who never left, who stood up for what's right. Red dirt rising in the morning, red dirt rising everywhere. Red dirt rise from the ground up, never compromising. Muddy boots and hearts on fire. Red dirt rising, taking everything we require. Red dirt rising, 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 red dirt rising. Yeah, down here we ride diff. Got my boots on, truck lifted high, dirt flying, mud on my thighs, flag waving from the back bed, American pride, that's how I'm bred. Beer ice cold in my right hand, brothers by my side, we make our stand. Small town born, big heart beating, never backing down, never retreating. Engine roaring through the backwoods, living how we want, living how we should. Fire burning bright at the tailgate. This is our time, this is our fate. We are the kings of these dirt roads. We are the kings of these dirt roads. Bonfire crackling in the dead of night, stars above us shining so bright. Whiskey flowing, story sharing, brotherhood strong, always caring. Rebel spirit runs through my veins, freedom calling, breaking these chains. Work all day with my callous hands, dream of something bigger than this land. Truck wheels spinning through the red clay, living hard, living our own way. Born to raise hell on a Friday night, till the sun comes up with the morning light. We are the kings of these dirt roads. We are the kings of these dirt roads. Got my brothers riding shotgun, party don't stop till the party's done. Yeah. Cold beer flowing like a river, southern heat making bodies shiver. Mud on the tires, dust in the air, freedom's the only thing we care. Blue collar grit with a rebel soul, country rap flow, that's how I roll. Flag flying high above the trees, living wild, living how we please. This small town made me who I am, country boy with a master plan. We are the kings of these dirt roads. We are the kings of these dirt roads. Kings of these dirt roads. Yeah, we are kings of these dirt roads till we die. Yeah. Through the back roads, mud on my boots, you see the way I ride, man, you know I ain't recruit. Been grinding since I was knee-high to a grasshopper, never needed nobody. Built myself proper, raised on cornbread, sweet tea, and respect. Small town pride, man, that's what you expect. Daddy taught me early, son, you gotta earn your keep. Work hard, play harder, loyalty runs deep. Hey! When the sun goes down, hey! We ain't slowing down. Hey! Turn the music loud, hey! Make your mama proud. I'm the dirt king, ruling these roads. Dirt king, breaking the code. Dirt King. Chevy sitting 20 inches off the ground, bass thumping heavy, you can hear it through the town. Bonfire burning bright, brothers gather round tight, passing mason jars underneath the starlight. We don't need permission, we don't need your blessing. Country boys with attitude, that's our confession. From sunrise to midnight, living how we choose. Win or lose, we never sing the blues. Hey! When the sun goes down, hey! We ain't slowing down. Hey! Turn the music loud. Hey! Make your mama proud. I'm the Dirt King, ruling these roads. Dirt King, breaking the codes. Born in the mud, raised by the flame. Dirt King, remember my name. Dirt King, whoa. Dirt King. Country, but you can't take country out the boy. We built this life from scratch, ain't no silver spoon toy. Dirt under my nails, sweat upon my brow. Been the Dirt King then, still the Dirt King now. Dirt King now, Dirt King now, still the Dirt King now. Dirt King now, I'm the Dirt King, ruling these roads. Dirt King, breaking the codes. Born in the mud, raised by the flame. Dirt King, remember my name. Dirt King, Dirt King, Dirt King. Dirt King, ruling these roads. Dirt King, breaking the codes. Dirt King. Baby, got mud under my fingernails again. Motor oil stains on everything I touch. Can't wash this shit off, don't want to. This dirt tells my story, man. Mud and motor oil, that's my cologne. Mud and motor oil in my bones, can't clean it off, don't wanna try. Mud and motor oil till the day I die. Motor oil, that's who I am. La la la, get your hands dirty. La la la, earn your keep. La la la, feel that grit between your teeth. This is me. You see these hands, they built this life. Every callus earned through blood and sweat. While you're sitting pretty in your office chair, I'm out here grinding, getting fucking wet. Rain or shine, I'm in the dirt. Engine grease becomes my second skin. Feel it in my pulse, feel it in my soul. This is what I'm made for, this is my control. Mud and motor oil, that's my cologne. Mud and motor oil in my bones, can't clean it off, don't wanna try. Mud and motor oil till the day I die. Mud and motor oil, that's who I am. La la la, get your hands dirty. La la la, earn your keep. La la la, feel that grit between your teeth. This is me when I die, bury me deep in the dirt where I belong. Don't clean me up, don't make me pretty. This mud is my fucking song. Mud and motor oil, that's all I need. That's all I need. Mud and motor oil, that's my cologne. Mud and motor oil in my bones, can't clean it off, don't wanna try. Mud and motor oil till the day I die. Mud and motor oil, that's who I am. and motor oil. Mud and motor oil. Yeah, that's me. Mud and motor oil.